Hola. Hola.
But you don't say the H. Hola.
Hola.
Hola. Hello. Hello. In most European languages, I think Scandinavian languages, they'll begin with H, say hello, but not French, Italian, different. And I didn't bring my camera because I'm really stupid. Hola.
Kecil.
From Cuba. Cuba is very famous.
Mexican party. Mexican music. Mexican food. Minggu. Aku ngaji. Nachos.
But in Cuba they have a vaccination against
Salsa.
America doesn't have the rest of the world. You can have a vaccine for meningitis, A or B, the one that kills you really fast. Because in America don't have one similar. The vaccine is still in Cuba. It's not been shared with the rest of the world. It's either A, B or C. It's not like that.
Eh.